Hey there, English learners. Even the most advanced speakers make small mistakes sometimes, but that's totally normal. In today's video, I'll show you 10 common English mistakes that many learners make, and I'll teach you the correct, natural way to say them. If you fix these, your English will sound more fluent and polished. Let's get started. Mistake 1, I am boring. This means you are not fun. Say, I'm bored. I'm bored at home. Let's go out. Mistake 2, he is more tall than me. Say, he is taller than me. User with short adjectives like tall, fast, short. Mistake 3, I have 25 years. Say, I'm 25 years old. In English, we are an age, not habit. Mistake 4, can you repeat? Say, could you say that again? It sounds much more natural and polite. Mistake 5, I very like it. Say, I really like it. Very doesn't go with verbs like. Use really instead. Mistake 6, I didn't went. Say, I didn't go. After did, always use the base form of the verb. Mistake 7, she said me the story. Say, she told me the story. Or, she said the story to me. Say and tell work differently. Mistake 8, I'm studying since 2 years. Say, I've been studying for 2 years. Use present perfect continuous with time durations. Mistake 9, I'm going to home. Say, I'm going home. Home doesn't need to. It's an adverb. Mistake 10, he don't like pizza. Say, he doesn't like pizza. With he/she/it, we use doesn't. Bonus tip 530. Want to fix these mistakes for good? Practice them in real sentences. Try writing a short story or speaking with a partner using these corrected forms. Outrow 6 o'clock. Great job. Now that you know these 10 common mistakes, you're one step closer to fluent, confident English. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful lesson. Want bonus quizzes, PDF downloads, and practice worksheets? Become a channel member and get access to exclusive content made just for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, every mistake you fix is a step forward. See you in the next lesson.